China now has more diesel-powered and nuclear-powered submarines than the United States. Both American and Southeast Asian officials have voiced concern about China's military buildup in the last several years. Even before the People's Republic of China's recent military and naval expansion, its submarines were regularly patrolling the Philippine Sea. China now has more submarines than Britain, Russia, and the United States, with plans to build more vessels. China's more expansive submarine program now includes lengthier excursions into the Indian Ocean. The People's Liberation Army Navy has diesel and nuclear-powered submarines and continues to develop ballistic missile submarines along with experimental vessels. The armed nuclear missile subs China is developing will be able to launch missiles that can reach Hawaii and Alaska. U.S. Navy Vice Admiral Joseph Mulloy says that while the number of PLA subs has grown by leaps and bounds, their quality is inferior to that of the United States'.
Your smartest, most insightful comments can win you $100 only at TomoNews.net.